Canadian court.
Canadian human rights activists went to the country's Department of Justice on Friday to deliver a petition signed by hundreds of organizations and individuals to demand a stop to the extradition of Hassan Diab to France. Dr. Diab is a Canadian citizen and professor of sociology who was arrested by Canadian police in November 2008 after France accused him of being involved in the 1980 Paris synagogue bombing, a charge he strongly denies.
For over 3 years, I have been fighting false allegations based on bogus handwriting analysis that has been discredited by world-renowned experts, and allegations based on secret intelligence from unknown sources.
French authorities have alleged that Diab's handwriting appears in a hotel registration card related to the bombing. Canadian handwriting experts, however, have dismissed this, and also Diab's passport indicates that he was not in France at the time of the bombing. Nevertheless, in June 2011, a Canadian judge ruled for his extradition.
Well, anytime someone is sought for a case in which their fingerprints don't match, in which their palm prints don't match, in which the handwriting doesn't match, and the physical description doesn't match, I think anyone could agree that that's not a case that should go to trial. And in fact, a Canadian judge looking at this case has already said this case would not stand up in a Canadian court.
Under Canadian law, the Minister of Justice has the power to stop the extradition. However, police prevented the activists from even entering the building to deliver the petition.
The most danger that this can cause is a paper cut. Nonetheless, the Justice Department is still not sure if it wants to accept this petition with the signatures of many Canadians. It's still not sure if it wants to accept letters from leading and respected human rights organizations across this country. It's quite remarkable that in 2012, they're not sure that they can actually accept something in a democracy from their citizens. Shame! Shame!
Rob Nicholson, the Canadian Minister of Justice, has yet to announce his decision. Even though Canadian courts have admitted that the case against Dr. Diab is very weak, however, the question remains on why they want to extradite him to France. Hamed Moussavi, Press TV, Ottawa.